Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Addtam Surge Protector outlet extender with nightlight. This review is based on feedback gathered from users across the internet, so you get a comprehensive understanding of what this product offers. If you own this product, we'd love for you to share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Addtam Surge Protector is a versatile and compact wall outlet extender designed to meet the needs of modern households and workspaces. It combines functionality, convenience, and safety in one sleek package. With its 9-in-1 design, it features 5 wide-spaced outlets and 4 USB charging ports, including 1 USB-C port. This makes it an excellent solution for anyone looking to expand their power options without cluttering their space with bulky power strips. The 3-sided design ensures ample spacing between outlets, accommodating even larger plugs and adapters without crowding. One of the standout features of this surge protector is its built-in LED nightlight. The nightlight operates on a dusk-to-dawn sensor, automatically turning on when ambient lighting is insufficient. Users have praised the light for being soft, warm, and non-intrusive, perfect for bedrooms, hallways, nurseries, or bathrooms. If you prefer not to use the nightlight or need to manually control it, there's a touch-sensitive sensor switch that allows you to turn it on or off as needed. This thoughtful feature adds convenience and makes the product suitable for various settings. In terms of installation, the Addtam Surge Protector is straightforward to set up. It comes with a removable screw and a plastic prong at the back for added stability when mounted on a duplex outlet. Some users noted that while it doesn't mount completely flush against the wall, it sticks out slightly, it still remains secure during use. For USB receptacles and GFCI outlets, the plastic prong can be trimmed off for compatibility. This flexibility ensures that the Surge Protector can be used in different types of outlets without hassle. The USB ports are another highlight of this product. With 1 USB-C port offering up to 3A max output and 3 USB-A ports providing up to 2.4A max output each, it's capable of charging multiple devices simultaneously. Users have reported that these ports work well with smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and other USB-powered devices. The actual charging speed depends on the device's requirements, but overall, performance has been described as reliable and efficient. Safety is a top priority with this Surge Protector. It incorporates 3 complementary surge protection circuits, TVS, MOV, and GDT, with an energy-absorbing capacity of 1050 joules. Additionally, it offers overload protection, short-circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overheating protection. These features provide peace of mind when using the device in homes or offices with sensitive electronics. User reviews highlight several advantages of this product. Many appreciate its ability to transform 2 standard outlets into 5 while adding 4 USB charging ports and a nightlight, all in a compact form factor. The nightlight has been particularly well received for its subtle glow that doesn't disrupt sleep, but provides enough illumination for nighttime navigation. Customers have also praised its ease of use. Simply plug it into an existing outlet and it's ready to go. However, there are some minor drawbacks worth noting. A few users mentioned that the unit doesn't sit perfectly flush against the wall and may wobble slightly when plugging in or removing cords unless held in place. While this hasn't been a deal breaker for most people, it's something to consider if you're looking for a completely flush-mounted solution. Additionally, some users expressed disappointment that the nightlight operates only on a light sensor rather than including a motion sensor option. Another point raised by reviewers is that while this Surge Protector is excellent for stationary use at home or in an office, it may not be ideal for travel due to its design requiring secure mounting with screws or prongs. For those who frequently travel and need portable power solutions, this might not be the most convenient choice. Overall impressions of the Addtam Surge Protector are overwhelmingly positive. Users have found it to be a practical addition to their homes and offices, offering enhanced functionality without taking up much space. Its combination of multiple outlets, USB ports, and a nightlight makes it versatile enough to meet various needs, from powering kitchen appliances during family gatherings to charging devices in guest rooms or creating additional plugs behind furniture. If you're considering purchasing this Surge Protector, keep in mind that its strengths lie in its compact design, safety features, and added conveniences like the nightlight and USB charging capabilities. While it may not be perfect for every scenario, such as flush mounting or travel, it excels in providing reliable power expansion solutions for everyday use. We hope this review has given you valuable insights into what makes the Addtam Surge Protector such a popular choice among users. Don't forget to check out the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself. It helps support our channel. And if you already own this product, please share your thoughts in the comments below to help others make an informed decision.